Hey everyone, welcome back to Pit Stop Pro. Today, I'll be showing you how to replace the vacuum pump on a 2016 Holden Spark. The customer reported that the brake pedal is very stiff and the brakes aren't working properly. After diagnosing the issue, I found that the vacuum pump is faulty. Let's get into the repair. The customer's main concern is that the brakes feel very stiff. First, I checked the brake booster vacuum hose to ensure there were no leaks. The hose looks fine, so I moved on to testing the vacuum pump. To test the pump, I disconnected the vacuum hose near the pump while the engine was running. Then, I placed my finger on the pump's valve to check for suction. No suction means the vacuum pump is not working. That confirms the problem. Now, let's remove the faulty vacuum pump. First, I need to remove the coolant overflow bottle to access the pump. There are 10mm bolts holding it in place. Let's get those out. With that out of the way, we can now access the vacuum pump. It is secured with three 13mm bolts. Let's remove those and take out the pump. After removing the pump, I inspected it and found that it's broken inside the engine block. I also noticed metal pieces inside the engine, which is a serious issue. These are the metal pieces I took out from the engine block. To properly clean the engine, I would need to remove the valve cover and the oil sump to ensure all the metal shavings are removed. However, in this case, the customer requested only a vacuum pump replacement. Before installing the new pump, I need to replace the damaged seal. This is important to prevent all leaks and ensure a proper fit. Here's the brand new vacuum pump, which comes with a gasket. Let's install it. I'm refitting the vacuum pump and tightening the 313mm bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. After that, I'll reconnect all removed parts and reattach the vacuum hose to the brake booster. Now that everything is back in place, it feels much better now, which means the repair was successful. To be sure, let's start the car and test the brake pedal. I'm going for a quick road test to check the braking performance. Everything feels great. The car is now safe to drive. That's how you replace a faulty vacuum pump on a 2016 Holden Spark. Proper vacuum pump function is critical for your braking system. So if your brakes feel stiff, get it checked immediately. If this video helped you, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more car repair tutorials. See you in the next video.